Hey guys, Josh here. Today I'm going to be talking about how I maximise the battery life when I'm filming using my GoPro. I've got the GoPro 8, but a lot of this stuff will carry over and work on the GoPro 7 as well. So first off, if you can avoid recording in 4K or 2.7K, the 1080p mode will help a lot as it will drain far less battery. You're going to want to switch off the voice control up here. That means your GoPro is no longer listening for your voice all the time and it won't drain your battery like that. We're going to go into preferences, my connections, and we're going to make sure that the wireless connections are all switched off. Again, now you won't be able to connect your GoPro through the app, but it will save on the battery life. So in general, you want to make sure that quick capture is on. This means that as soon as you press this button on the top, that the GoPro will start recording, and that minimizes any time when you've got the camera switched on, but it's not actually recording. Down here at the bottom of the general settings, you're also going to want to make sure that the auto power off is on 5 minutes, which is the lowest setting. Down here in the touchscreen settings as well, we can change the screensaver to make sure it's on the minimum, which is 1 minute. So after 1 minute, this screen on the back will switch off. And the brightness we can turn down to 10%. This means there's a lot less power being used by the back screen here on the GoPro. Lastly, under regional, you want to make sure that the GPS is switched off. So just some general battery wear and tear tips. It's a good idea not to let your camera overheat. Sometimes if you're filming 4K, 60 frames per second, or one of the other really high performance modes, the whole camera can start to get hot. You just want to switch it off and let it cool for a little while. On the back here, the battery does say don't store at temperatures over 60 degrees, so definitely try and keep it under that as it's going to degrade the battery. Cooler temperatures are generally okay, they're not going to damage the battery, but they will mean that it'll drain quicker. So just be aware of that whilst you're out skiing or something like that. So my last tip is when you store these batteries, say you know that you're not going to be using your GoPro for a little while, if you try and leave them charged to around about 50% where possible, it will minimize any sort of wear and tear on the battery whilst they're being stored. If you leave the batteries completely dead or fully charged up, and I mean, you do it quite a few times, not just, the odd occasion, you will start to give the battery some wear and tear, and it won't hold charge as well the next time you want to use it. That's all for today, guys. Hope you found the video useful. If you did, please leave it a like, and I will catch you in the next one.